Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by adjusting your workstation and body. This reduces strain immediately. Tighten core lightly, think of zipping up a jacket, and tuck your chin slightly. That aligns neck and spine. Once done, squeeze shoulder blades together for 2 seconds, release, repeat 10 times to engage upper back. Make sure to stand and reset every 30-60 minutes because movement prevents stiffness. These first steps create the foundation for lasting changes, so do them right now before moving to deeper mobility work. Now you build the muscles that hold posture. Perform rows or band pulls for 3 sets of 10-12 to strengthen mid-back. This counters rounded shoulders. Then, stretch tight chest muscles for 30 seconds each side to allow that back to sit upright. Once comfortable, add a 1-minute plank or progressive holds to reinforce core stability. The stronger your core, the less strain on your lower back. Make sure to breathe through each rep and gradually increase resistance as form stays solid. Finish by turning these actions into daily habits that maintain posture. Set hourly reminders to stand, walk, or do 10 scapular squeezes. Consistency rewires muscle memory. Check your sleeping position. Use a pillow that keeps the neck neutral, not propped too high. Once done, monitor for persistent pain. If discomfort increases, scale back intensity and seek a clinician. Do not push through sharp pain. One useful troubleshooting tip: if shoulders keep rounding, temporarily reduce chest stretches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.